If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Coinbase, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to cancel any unwanted recurring payments. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the mobile app and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you are on the correct account where the recurring charges are set up. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option. On the website, this is usually found in the upper right corner under your profile icon. In the app, you can find it in the menu. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the settings menu, look for the payment method or billing section. This area will display all your linked payment methods and any active subscriptions. Step 4. Review recurring payments. Find the section that lists your recurring payments or subscriptions. Here, you will see all active charges, including their frequency and amounts. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm the deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted recurring charges on Coinbase. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for help.